Oh. Hey guys, Abner here, back with another unboxing, and today we have the Fantech Helios XD3 Pro Wireless RGB Gaming Mouse. This is the Helios Pro Wireless RGB Gaming Mouse from Fantech. 83 grams lightweight, dual power. When you say dual power, that means that you can go wireless with this mouse, or you can also use it with a cord. And the interface on this mouse is USB Type-C. USB Type-C tends to be faster in terms of charging and data transfer. Helios Pro Wireless Dual Mode, 16K DPI, 400 IPS per 20 grams. So it has a PIXART 3335 sensor. Like I said, 16K DPI, dual connection, 2.4 gigahertz, 50 million clicks, macro buttons, onboard memory. So this is designed for right-handed users, dual mode, wired and wireless capability. So that's what we read from the other side right here. So dual power, you can go wireless or you can go wired. Okay, so here are some of the features on the side of the box. Some of these we have already seen from the other parts. So yeah, Huano 50 million clicks, I think that's for the buttons. Battery capacity 730 milliamperes. Battery life up to 70 hours. Wow. Size is 120 by 58 by 38 mm. Again, a USB Type-C 1.8 meters paracord. Weight is 83 grams. We'll test that later. And pink matte is the color. So let's continue unboxing the Helios XD3 Pro Wireless RGB Gaming Mouse. So here we go with our Helios XD3 Pro Wireless RGB Gaming Mouse. So this is USB Type-C. Yeah. Still USB interface, regular USB Type-A on the other side. This is what you plug into your machine. Okay. So this is the 1.8 meters USB Type-C paracord. Right? These are called skates or mouse gliders, whatever you want to call them. So you attach these on the bottom of the mouse. And this is our mouse right here. So we see that Fantech logo right here, the branding. We got our DPI button right here on top. Scroll button right here. Of course, our left and right buttons. And we have additional programmable buttons right here. So you have extra buttons right here, which you can press faster than this ones, right? Other side, it's just that curve. That's the design of the mouse. It looks beautiful, guys. Wow. Okay, and then here on the front, that's where we charge the mouse. As mentioned earlier, we have a 730 milliamperes battery inside the mouse. So this is where we charge it, right there with our USB Type-C. So on the bottom, it says Fantech Helios XD3. So these are the skates or mouse gliders or feet. We have two pre-applied in here. So this is our PIXART 3335 gaming optical sensor right here on the center of the bottom of the mouse. Right here is our on and off switch. There, this is off. This is full on, that one. And then echo. If you want to save some battery, go to echo. And here, right here, is our receiver. And of course it comes with the Fantech warranty card right here. And some Fantech manuals. Okay. So we're going to plug it in using the USB Type-C. The other end of the cord is connected to my machine already. So we're just going to connect this right here, front of the mouse. So there. So the scroll wheel right here lights up when it's charging and it's plugged into your machine. So yeah, this is how it looks like when you are plugged in. Okay, so we have plugged it in wirelessly to our machine. So let's see and turn it on for the first time wirelessly. There you go. Now we see the RGB on that mouse right there. So I think it has a sensor when you pick it up. Wow, that's beautiful, guys. And on the scroll wheel as well. That looks good. Oh yeah. Nice. This mouse looks good. Okay, so let's see what it looks like in the dark, shall we? Let's go. So that's what it looks like in the dark, guys. There. I hope you can see that glorious RGB light. Okay, after that RGB show right there, so now we have pulled out our digital scale. For the boxes, it's 83 grams in terms of the weight. So let's put that to the test. So that's 0 right there. Okay. I think I read 84, 83. Yeah, so I guess that's accurate. Whoa. No. So we have 83.5 grams on our scale right there. So I would say what's indicated in the box is accurate. Okay, now we test the responsiveness of our mouse through this website, onlinemictest.com. Let's do a left click. There. Right click. Scroll click. Right there. So I have programmed these buttons on the side to do our back and forward buttons for our browser. So right there, so if I click on this one, right there, so page went back to Google. If we click this one, it should go back to our site right there. So buttons are really responsive and it looks great at the same time.
Perfect.
So now we're going to do our sound test. Okay. Okay, I have the Fantech XD3 Helios software out on my machine right here. These are the buttons as labeled here. So just left click in there and there's a ton of options. Right there, every button, middle button, forward, which is this one, the fourth one on the sides, there, backward, and the DPI loop, which is right here on top, the one I showed you earlier. There's a ton of features. So here you can set the DPI or data per inch for the mouse for all you gamers out there, which is, you know, always setting the nitty-gritty settings right here in terms of the DPI. This will really help you. Right here, all the settings are here. Fine settings. You can fine-tune the mouse to your liking. And this one is for the macros that you can also save. This one, you can control the lighting, the RGB lights on the mouse. Right here, you can also adjust it. Right here, brightness, speed, RGB value. So you can save it into profiles down here. There's a lot you can do with the software that comes with the Fantech XD3 Helios. You just have to download it from their site, from Fantech, and install it. I think it's just around 2 MB or something. So there, a ton of settings, a ton of customizations you can do, a ton of RGB settings you can save and profile. So there we go, guys, with our quick unboxing and review of the Fantech Helios XD3 Pro Wireless RGB gaming mouse.
Perfect.
So this mouse really looks good. It comes with a ton of features, dual power, PIXART 3335 sensor, 730 milliamperes battery, 50 million clicks on these buttons.
What?
RGB right there, which really looks good. Wow. Can you see that? Oh yeah, you can also use it wirelessly, and you can use it wired while you are charging the mouse. So that's another feature right there.
Oh my god! Wow!
That's what we call dual power. So right there. So you can use it while you're charging the mouse. You can use it wirelessly. One thing's for sure, this will stay powered and you'll never stop using it because it's really light on the touch and has a great design.
Wow!
It's a good curve right there. We have programmable buttons right there, and as well here, if you go to the software, you can customize what this buttons does to your liking. You can customize the RGB, of course, through the software, the DPI, which is right here, data per inch, right here. You can adjust it here, the profiles that you're going to save for the DPIs on this mouse. You can save it through the software and you can access it here. Okay, yeah. So there you go, guys. So I like the features that comes with this mouse, all that customization with the software, these buttons that are programmable as well, the RGB lighting right there, which also can be customized. It's 83 grams. It's light. It's good to the hand, to the touch, and I like the color, dude. What can I say? It's matte pink. So yeah. So there you go, guys. If you have comments, please leave your comment down below. If you like our video today, please toss a like down there. And please, if you haven't subscribed already, subscribe to Abner's Reviews. Do not forget to click the notification bell and select all, so you'll get notified when we upload our next videos. So once again, this is Abner's Reviews, and I will see you guys on the next video.